If you are learning Chinese language or preparing for the new HSK exam, memorizing characters and vocabulary can be difficult. So, I created 4 interactive games to help you learn the vocabulary, characters, and sentences much faster. Now, you can start using them for free. Let me show you exactly how they work. Hi, I'm Becky. I've been teaching Chinese language to international students for more than 16 years. After teaching thousands of foreign students, I noticed most students struggle with 3 things. Number 1, memorizing Chinese vocabulary. Number 2, using them correctly in sentences. Number 3, recognizing Chinese characters. So I designed these games to help you practice these skills step by step. Let's start. The first game is the new HSK1 flashcards. These flashcards include all 300 words required for the new HSK 3.1 version, Level 1 syllabus. Each card shows the Chinese character, pinyin, English meaning, example sentence, and audio pronunciation. This helps you review vocabulary effectively and reinforce memory. The second game is the new HSK1 vocabulary matching game. This game helps you quickly test whether you have mastered the 300 HSK1 words. It's a simple and effective way to reinforce your vocabulary. The third game is the HSK1 character and pinyin matching game. In the new HSK1, students need to recognize 246 Chinese characters. This game helps you quickly connect characters and pronunciation. These 3 games are included in my HSK1 starter kit, and you can try them for free. But knowing the words is only the first step. At HSK1 level, the most important skill is using these words to build simple sentences. So I created another game. This is the HSK1 sentence practice game. I wrote 289 sentences based on the official new HSK1 grammar and vocabulary list. In this game, you can drag the words into the correct order to form a sentence. This helps you practice real Chinese sentences. I already released it in my membership content. Inside the membership, you will also find HSK1 pronunciation video lessons, grammar explanation videos, printable PDF exercises. So, instead of just memorizing words, you can follow a complete HSK1 learning system. You can start with my free HSK1 starter kits using the link below. If you'd like to unlock the complete HSK1 learning system and other HSK levels, you can also join my membership. I'll see you in next lesson.